How to add education to your Quora account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add education to your profile on Quora. So first thing, go to the app. Now go to the home. This is the home page, as you can see. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Click again on it until it take you to this page right here. Here you will find many options, and here is the education option. Click on add education credential. Now choose the school and the primary, major, the secondary, the degree type, and the graduation year. After you finish, click save and everything will be saved to your profile. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.